Hi guys, and welcome on my new video. Today I'm gonna be staying in Magnolia Inn and Suites Hotel in Puller. It's next to Savannah in Georgia. So I want to show you the room in this hotel.
Showing off, don't wanna have to wait tonight. Better off, I'm gonna find my way tonight. Wait tonight. Won't you talk to me? I wanna heal your sorrow. We'll make a new tomorrow. Let's find the answer. What makes this heart beat faster?
Oh, you got this machine, Coke, dispenser, drinks. Oh, there's stairs. Stairs to the second floor. I'm gonna take an elevator. Actually, elevator is here. Just one floor and it's going like from the hundreds. Seven. I've got the room number 219. It's very good. $219. It's $219. All right. He's gonna be surprised. Oh my gosh. Surprised he's not working. Alright guys, he's working now. I had to go to the reception, so she gave me the right card. Alright, this is my room. It's not bad. It's cold here. Let me turn on all of the lights. Oh, this one is not working. Maybe here. Not working. Okay. I hope this one is working. This one is not working. How to turn it on? Come on. Huh. I wanted to say good word about these hotels, but I really can't. Wow, it's not working. Okay. Ooh. Alright, so this is my room. It's very big actually, just for one person. Big This is huge bed, come on. Wow. Okay, yeah, separate sink, that's not bad. In the bathroom. Yes. Not too old. May replace it. Yeah, like back doors even. Clean. Yeah, it's good enough. TV. Fridge. Microwave. And closet with safe iron, regular standard. I'm gonna show you the view tomorrow. Is that actually nothing special? Oh my gosh, the fence is broken. There is elevator sign. I didn't see it. And actually this elevator is very slow. I'm gonna take stairs. This elevator goes like in World Trade Center from 1 floor to 100, but it's only 2 floors here. Nice palm trees. And there is even breakfast from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. Coffee, not much, but just a little bit. Oatmeal, okay. And toast, waffle. Okay. Little sitting area. Yeah, time is going. Hot water.
Today we are talking about Medicare Part C, commonly called Medicare Advantage. If you're
Okay, toast is ready.
to Medicare, you can call now because
Oh my gosh.
you're eligible for plans in your zip code with additional benefits or cost savings you may not be receiving now or that may have previously not been available to you. Different Part C plans are available in different parts of the country.
My breakfast today. Alright guys, it's 32 degrees in Savannah and the last time I'm gonna wake up the guests.